Queen's Life Beauties. I'm back with another video, and on today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a wax session video for you guys on today. And right now I'm doing the first unboxing, so yes, let's get into it. Yes, this is some new wax I'm going to be trying out. It's the Bush Beads Premium Hard Wax. I ordered their 3-bag starter kit, which came with 3 bags of the wax and also the Bush Balm Ingrown Hair Oil. I've been using another wax system for a while, and I just decided to give another waxing company a try, and just to see if there was a better wax out there that I could use on myself and my clients. I do wish that this bottle came with a sprayer instead of a pump. That will be my only negative from this unboxing. Alright, so now let's get into this next unboxing. This is my new wax warmer that holds up to 5 pounds of wax. It came with everything you see here. I have a pack of large popsicle sticks. This is the wax strip paper, which I won't be using because I use hard wax. And what made me purchase this particular wax warmer is that it's non-stick, so when I'm ready to clean the inside of the warmer, I could just take the wax out with using my hand, and yes, it's gonna make for a better cleanup. Also, the size, you guys, I could put up to 5 pounds of wax in here, so yes, I'm going to love that as well. And of course, I have the lid. I'm gonna put that on right now, and then also it came with the plug. I'm gonna be using that to power the warmer, and also a set of instructions. And this little packet right here, I really didn't know what it was until my husband told me. I was like, what is this? Where does it go? And he told me it's some fuses to put inside of the warmer. So yes, that's when the indicator light goes out, I'll be able to replace it. So now I'm just going to take the power cord and attach it to the warmer and plug it up. I'm wiping down the warmer to sanitize it before adding the wax beads. I'm turning the warmer on to a temperature of 80 degrees. be trying this wax out for the first time on today. I've read and seen some good reviews on this wax, you guys, so I can't wait to use it. I'm going to be doing an underarm wax on today. I've already prepped her skin and tested the wax to make sure it wasn't too hot. I'm going in.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam.
Okay, my first impression on this wax is that it really works. My client does have some pinpoint bleeding, and that's just because she hasn't had a wax in over a year, so it's to be expected. My client hasn't been exfoliating, so I'm going to go ahead and tweeze out the hairs that weren't removed from waxing.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam.
Right here, I'm just examining her other underarm to make sure there's no open wounds before waxing.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam.
And this is pretty much the end of this wax session. And yes, a 10 out of 10. I do recommend the Bush Bombs Bush Bead Wax. I also like the new wax warmer, you guys, because it melts the wax easily. And the size of it is way bigger than my last one. So I'm looking forward to doing more waxing services. I hope you enjoyed this video on today. I want you to have a great day and a blessed week ahead.